Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you the solution for the battery percentage not showing in your OPPO Reno 15. So the first thing that I do recommend doing is open settings. Once you're in the settings, here now you need to select notifications and quick settings. Tap it. Tap status bar and make sure that the battery percentage is set either to the inside battery icon or outside the battery icon. If you do not show, this is the issue. If you still don't have this battery percentage, what I do recommend doing is to open Play Store and install some equivalent app. Let me show you how does it work. Open search, in the search bar search for the battery widget. And I personally use the battery widget born by Thomas Hubalek. Tap install button over here. And once you have it installed, tap open. Here now consent, start automatically, add widget, battery widget, add. And now as you can see my phone lagged, I don't know why, but our widget is here. And actually that's it. If you still don't have this battery percentage over here, what you need to do is to contact device support because your battery sensor may be broken. Goodbye!